Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for April 8th, 2016. This is an early edition, about 2 hours and 42 minutes before the close. I'm going to actually have to take my son to see Florida State and see the campus. So I wanted to get this out now instead of tomorrow morning. Just so you know, what we're watching today is the market doing what we talked about actually on the Simpler Stocks Premium on the video and also on charts I posted last night. All we're getting in here is everybody got caught up saying, oh, we're going to all-time highs, when really on a 78-minute chart, all you're getting is this, a big old rectangle forming right here. Now the whole idea is, what did we do? We stopped right at resistance right there, and now we have this sort of head and shoulders pattern in here. Now, the whole idea is, whichever way this breaks, it could go down another 30 points. So just keep that in mind in there. Why is the market going down? It's usual suspects. Number one, HYG down. Number two, NASDAQ down, but that's all following the Nikkei. Down another 295. And why is the Nikkei down? Because the yen is going nuts on the upside. You hardly ever see this big a move. Huge move in the U.S. DJPY. This is the inverse. So if the yen's going up, this means it takes less yen to buy a dollar. So you could actually put it this way, or you put it the 6J. Either way, check out this. I've been warning about this bull flag for a long time. And believe it or not, I've been warning about this reversal all the way since down here on Simpler Stocks and on Simpler Options. Whole idea is, where's the resistance? Right there. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Just so obvious when you see it roll like that. What is the moral to this story? Moral of the story, this is the first place in the world that has a central bank wanting to do one thing and their currency is doing the opposite. This could be a big deal worldwide. Why do I say that? Number one, you have negative rates in Germany to help their economy. German market can't get out of its own way. You have the yen here going nuts, even though their government wants it to do the opposite. Very interesting to see governments start to lose control of their policies. The whole idea on that is, a lot of people are going to start worrying if that's going to happen to us. Now, to give you an idea, look at the Nikkei here. Look at it on a weekly now. Very ominous. Where is it? October 2014. It's given back the entire gain from this year. Where would that put our market? Let's put it in perspective. Unlink this and take this out and watch this. ES on the left, almost at an all-time high. Nikkei on the right, where it was in October 2014. That's pretty dangerous. That's like us being in this range, way down here. Now, before you think that's absolutely impossible, realize the ESs are ridiculously overbought on a weekly. Look what happened last time they were overbought. 2104, 1800. It is possible. Plus, when you see this, it gets even more worried. Really neat stuff in there. So I wanted to show you that. Just so you know what we've been posting all day, like I mentioned on the free video last night, I had posted on the premium forum before it happened about HOG having big old put action in there. And then watching the stock absolutely fall apart, that just miraculously the day after a bunch of puts were bought, there was multiple downgrades of the stock after the puts were bought. I can't tell you, SEC never seems to bust those people, but it's amazing to see that happen. Tonight I've actually already posted some unusual option activity in a brokerage firm and also in a retail stock. If you get a chance, we have that $7 trial for 30 days. And in that, you get a bunch of different things. You get an hour of me in a live chat in the morning, where a lot of times this includes the opening. We go over all kinds of strategies. The other it includes is the forum, and it includes a lot of learning series. Let me show you what I'm talking about a learning series. We had last night a free seminar for members, where what you get in there is, we talked about unusual option activity. It was good for me because it was right after a lot of people made money in the puts in HOG. But this is what it looks like, just to give you an idea. We have the chat room, premium videos, chart idea, forum, learning center. Press on learning center and check this out. Every one of these was free to members. using the MACD. Best ATR settings, moving average, bull and bear flags, unusual options, and coming soon. Whole idea is that's part of your package you get. So if you log out of here, check this out. $7 for 30 days. Should really try to check it out. So just so you know, I'm going tomorrow. Like I said, I will not be here. I'll be doing the video Sunday night. But I hope everybody enjoys this. I hope you can take advantage of this offer. Everybody have a great night.